Okay, came across this question from Facebook. I actually find that this question is very interesting because it's actually not straightforward. You need to think several layers before you can actually get your answer. So actually try to run through this. Question like that, right? I noticed that this is of the ice cream. Here also have of the ice cream. And then here is of the chocolate. So we just go through step by step. Michael sells ice cream, okay? And 3/4 of the ice cream are chocolate. So I know that chocolate, vanilla, and the rest are vanilla, right? So their total will be, here is 3, total is 4 unit, right? And then vanilla is 1 unit. And it says that after selling 133 vanilla, 100 minus 133 vanilla, and 5/6 of the chocolate. So chocolate here is actually 6 unit. Correct. 6 unit because it says 5/6 of the chocolate. Chocolate should be the same. Initially is 3 unit here, but then now I cut it into 6 parts instead of 3 parts. So how do I make this the same? Over here I times 2 times 2 times 2, which means now I will have a new, I take away this first. I will have a new ratio here, 6, then here it becomes 2 unit, and then here becomes 8 unit. Okay, so this is, and it says sold minus 5 units, and here minus 133. Another very important part that it says that has 1/5, in the end has 1/5 of the ice cream left of the ice cream, but then here it says of the ice cream as well. Remember the ice cream, if initial I cut it into ice cream, initial I cut it into 4 parts, right? But then now I cut it into 5 parts. This is the end part, this is not left. But then these 4 parts, 4 units and 5 units should be the same because we are all referring to the ice cream. Correct? We are not referring to the remaining of the ice cream. We are referring to the ice cream, which is the initial part that depends on how you want to cut it. So how can I go about doing it? If here is 5, this is the ice cream, okay? And you know at the start, because I calculated here is 8, I need to make these two the same. To make these two the same, because they are the same, I have to times 5, here times 8, right? Times 5 and times 5. Okay, now I have new information. So I drop this away, I will have 30 unit here, 10 unit here, and then 40 units. So now I know that my total is actually 40 units. Things change again, huh? So now at the start, so, and then left. So we go back to the question and follow the question again. So it says 5/6 of the chocolate ice cream sold. Correct? So I know that 5/6 of the chocolate ice cream, this is how I can get 5/6 times 30, right? Will actually give me 25 units. So 25 unit sold. Correct? And then here remains the same, 133. This is a number, minus 133. Okay, so this is something very important. And then we come back to here. I know 1/5 of the ice cream left. So this is the ice cream. So 1/5 of will be 8 unit left. 8 unit here. Okay? So now I know at the start I have 40 and end I have 8. So here will be 32 unit. Correct. Because 32 add 8 will give me 40, right? So the question asks, how many ice cream had Michael sold? So I'm very interested in this part here. This part here. So you know that he sold 25 units at 133 vanilla. This is the chocolate, right? And this is the vanilla. And then is this equals 32 units. You do some arrangement, rearrangement. So you realize that 1 unit will actually equals to 19. So it says sold. How many ice cream had Michael sold? I know that Michael sold 32 units. So 32 units equals to 32 times 19. It should give you 608. So Michael sold 608.